Okay guys, we're back again. So we're gonna keep working. We're adding with like bases. So again, we are adding here. So let's see what we get. We've got 5x plus 20 all over x plus 4. So now I'm gonna factor. Because I can't add 5x and plus 20. They're not like terms. So now I'm just gonna factor that. What goes into 5 and 20? Well, 5 does. 5 goes into 5x, x times, and 5 goes into 20 4 times, all over x plus 4. So I've got an x plus 4 on top and an x plus 4 on the bottom. So my answer is just going to be 5. And that is it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next one. And again, I've got an addition problem. So we've got w plus 9 plus w plus 7 all over 10. So we're adding here. So w plus w gives me 2w. And 9 plus 7 gives me 16 all over 10. And now I'm going to factor. Well, what can I take out of the top? Well, I think I can take a 2 out. So that would be w plus 8 all over 10. And then 2 goes into 2 once and into 10 5 times. So my answer should be w plus 8 divided by 5. Okay. There we go. That's it simplified and added together. Awesome. Good job. So, oops. Here we go. Another one, pretty much doing the same thing. Okay. Except this time, what am I doing? I'm subtracting. Good. So this gives me x minus 6 minus x minus 7 all over 2. So I'm going to rewrite this out with the minus distributed through. So I've got x minus 6 minus x plus 7 all divided by 2. So x minus x is 0, and negative 6 plus 7 is 1. So I'm pretty sure that is 1/2. My numerator simplifies to 1/2 because x minus x is 0. And negative, yep, that should be it. There we go. Okay, good job, you guys. So here's my next one. All right. And it looks like this is an addition problem. So we've got g plus 2 plus g minus 8 all over 4. So I get g plus 2 plus g minus 8 all over 4, which gives me 2g minus 6 all over 4. Now I can factor the top, and I can factor a 2 out. So I've got g minus 3 all over 4. And I know 2 goes into 2 once and into 4 2 times. So my final answer should be g minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, good job. 2 more problems and we'll go on and do some practice problems. Okay. So, let's see. This again is a subtraction problem. Okay. So I've got c squared minus 4 all over c plus 2. Well, I know that c squared minus 4, it's a squared, so I can say what multiplies to be negative 4 and adds to be 0. Well, that was 2 and negative 2. So this factors to c plus 2 times c minus 2 all over c plus 2. So I have a c plus 2 in the numerator and a c plus 2 in the denominator. So that means this equals c minus 2. Okay, good job. So number 12, here we go. Let's see, this is a subtraction problem. Okay, so what do we have? I've got m plus 7 minus m minus 1 all over 8m plus 16. So I'm going to rewrite this out, and it's going to become m plus 7 minus m plus 1 all over 8m plus 16. So let's see what I've got. M minus m is 0, and 7 plus 1 is 8 over 8m plus 16. Well, I can factor the denominator in this one. So I've got 8 all over 8 times m plus 2. And I know that 8 goes into 8 once and into 8 once. So I should get, what's in my numerator? Well, that makes a 1. So 8 goes into 8 one time. So there's a 1 up there over m plus 2. And there is my answer. Sorry about my dogs barking. Okay, that's in the end of this section. So we have one more section to go, and we'll see you in just a few moments. Thanks.